We have seen that how to find a percentage. To find a percentage, what we do, we write number in numerator, total number in denominator, and multiply it by 100. So whenever we have to find a percentage, we write number in the numerator, total number in denominator, multiply by 100. But when we have to find the number of the given percentage, when we have to convert the percentage into number, what we'll do, percentage upon 100 into total number. So we have already seen few examples of this. So let's start with practice set 30. First one, Shabana scored 736 marks out of 800 in her exams. What was the percentage she scored? So let's start with given. Shabana scored 736 marks. And what's the total marks? It's 800. What we have to find? We have to find percentage Shabana scored. Solution. Now percentage, what's the formula? Marks she got upon total into 100. 0, 0 cut. 736 divided by 8. 8 9s are 72. 8 2s are 16. So it's 92%. So the answer statement will be Shabana scored 92%. So this is sum number 1. Let's see second one. There are 500 students in the school in the Hihanda village. If 350 of them can swim, what percent of them can swim and what percent cannot? So there are total 500 students and 350 of them can swim. And we have to find percent of who can swim and who cannot swim. Okay, so let's start. Given total number of students 500, number of students who can swim 350. What we have to find? Two things, percent of students who can swim, second, percent of students who cannot swim. Solution, starting with A part. So percent who can swim. We know who all can swim in terms of numbers. So 350 upon total, that is 500 into 100. 350 divided by 5 is 70%. Now second part, percent of students who cannot swim. Now we know that the total percent is 100. So from 100% of students, 70% can swim. So the remaining ones, 30% cannot swim. So we just have to subtract it. So this is sum number 2. If Prakash sold Jawar on 75% of 19,500 square meter of his land, on how many square meter did he actually plant jawar? Now here we have to convert the percentage into the number, means this 75% means how much land it is, we have to find the other way. Given percentage of jawar, this is percentage of jawar sold, 75%. Total land, how much land is there? 19,500 square meter land is there. What we have to find? Land in which jawar is sold. Solution. So again writing the same thing, land in which jawar is sold. So when we are doing the other way, we write percentage above, below 100 into the total. So 0, 0, cut. Now we will multiply 75 into 195. So let's do your 5 5s are 25, 37, 35, 66, 40. So 14,625 square meter. In this much land jawar is sold. So I want that you should write the answer statement. Okay. Let's see question number 4. Soham received 40 messages on his birthday. Of these, 90% were birthday greetings. How many other messages did he get beside the greetings? So in total he received 40, but out of the 40 messages, 90% were greeting cards, and remaining 10% were the other messages. So we have to find the number of the other messages in terms of numbers. Okay. Given total messages received, percentage of greetings, 90%. What we have to find? Number of other messages. We don't have to find percent, we have to find number. Okay, so solution, what we'll do? Percentage of other messages we'll find first. So from 100%, 90% is greetings. So the other messages is 10%. Now from percent we'll find number of other messages. To find number, we write percent upon 100 into total. 0, 0, cut, 0, 0, cut. So 1 upon 1, 1. 1 into 4, 4 messages. So number of other messages is how much? 4. Okay, so this is sum number 4. Question number 5 and 6 are similar to above questions. So those are for homework.